Good love, good love. Good morning. Just admiring my nails. I did record a video, so I will leave the link for that in the description. Let's get this beautiful day started. Rainy and refreshing. What do vegans eat in a day? We good, that's what. Including oatmeal sausage, French toast.
That sausage actually looks real.
Fish-free tuna.
How she make that look like that?
Watch it and see. Veggie Stroganoff. Classic. Everything don't turn out to be a hit, but this was hitting. Get it up close, get it up close. Dairy-free banana ice cream. Homemade ginger dressing link included. Health is wealth. A description box full of goodies as usual. Speaking of goodies, we ordered some elderberry syrup from one of my friends, and I will leave his information in the description as well. I have a shot glass collection. It's super cute, even though I don't take shots of liquor, but shots of the right stuff, and yeah. Our beautiful children do what they see. My shot glass collection is super cute. I love it. Every single one of my collections make me happy, so that's that. Let's get into these recipes. If you need to pause the video to write the list of ingredients, go right ahead now. You are going to combine all of your dry ingredients first in your bowl and keep the wet ingredients to the side. Those are going to be mixed in last. Pour your seasonings all in. You can use your whisk. If you don't have one, use a fork. Once you mix that well, add your wet ingredients now and stir it up. You're going to let this sit and soak up all of this good flavor. And you're going to prepare your skillet with some healthy oil so you can fry them. I use avocado oil. For your French toast, you can make your own bread. You can buy some bread. I used oat bread. So some people think the thicker the better, to each his own. If you need to pause it again for the ingredients for the batter, go ahead. Homemade hemp milk. We will still do our dry ingredients first and whisk in the wet. Being a foodie, preparing food makes me happy, especially when it smells so good. Preparing food is an act of love. Just whisk all of this good love together. With oil in the pans, they're hot and ready. It's time to dip and flip. If you have tongs, great. You're gonna cook the sausages and your French toast on both sides until they're brown and ready. I've always liked my foods a little darker and a little crispier, so when I go fully raw, I might miss that. Taste test right quick, and oh my goodness, I almost said I cannot believe how good these are, but I can because I know all of the scrumptious herbs that I just put in it. I'm gonna let you know these not just for show. They really, really taste good. We'll share the wealth. You do not have to make your sausage as we like ours. You can stop where you want. Our banana ice cream video is a must watch that's included. We put a dollop of our banana ice cream on top. And guess what? The same thing goes for some sweet pancakes if you guys have a taste for that. Ooh, child. I like my pancakes thin and soft with crispy edges. It's hard to explain, but I'm very picky and I don't order this out. I have to make it myself. Ice cream with breakfast. Who knew? I keep hemp milk on deck and chickpeas because I literally use them for everything. If you need to pause the video to get the list of ingredients, you can write that down now. Now you need to have your chickpeas that have been soaked overnight, cooked and drained. Chop it up, voila. Now you're gonna put everything on the list inside of the food processor with your chickpeas. We are not gonna over process or over blend this. We are gonna just pulsate it just so it gets all mixed together and it looks like a tuna texture. Some people even do this by hand and just mash it in a bowl. That's cool too. Remember what I said, do not over blend your mixture. You won't be happy with the texture if so. I put it in the fridge and this is what came out, chilled and smelling really, really good, looking really good. So we're gonna do a taste test. Tastes so much like the tuna that I used to have, just a lot healthier. And the kids loved it too, so let's move on to dinner. For dinner, you're gonna chop up all of your veggies and herbs. For dinner, I didn't follow a specific recipe. I just went by memory from when I used to make beef stroganoff. Every recipe we know could be replaced with something healthy, flat out. That's the easy part. You can pause here for seasonings. This looks and smells so good. I keep saying that, but I can't help it. Dairy free. This coconut cream is amazing. Pour everything inside and start whisking and stirring. Just get it all mixed in together really good. It's gonna start thickening up, and if you need to add some flour because you've added too much milk, that is fine. You know I use my hemp milk for this, and I have this cooking on low while I stir it. I found my coconut cream at Whole Foods and I keep it stored in this container in the fridge for whatever I want. This is amazing. I only had a little bit of wild rice left, so I mixed it with brown rice. And once again, everything smells so good. It's thickened up just how I like it. So it's perfect to pour right on top of that hot rice that you made. All of the love I put into cooking all day, this is definitely gonna be a heart plate, okay? It's lovely. Try it. It'll make your food taste better. And don't never forget it. Look at that. Look at this pouring on top of this. You don't even need to eat 3 full course meals in one day. I eat about a good 2 times, maybe once. But either way it goes, you guys have 3 new recipes that you can try, and I'm gonna add some other recipes in my description box, like I said. When you let the kids help out, that also makes it fun. I tell my kids all the time, I am not a slave. We are a family around here and we help each other. Okay? Okay. And they do help me out. Don't forget about fruit, guys. That's always a healthy snack. Just fruit as is, raw, juicy, and sweet. I hope you guys comment, share, and subscribe and enjoy my video. Raw is always best. I'm not going to be cooking a lot because my goal is to be 100% raw one of these days. So you guys stay passionate, stay creative, stay lovely, and stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you guys on my next video. Heart Workhouse is out. We're not gonna be hungry tonight.